He's called Woot because that's the sound he makes. Woot! True story. Check it out. Woot! 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 Thanks for stopping by, I really appreciate it. If you've not subscribed, please do so, that'd be great. For updates, hit the bell for updates. I've got a Patreon page now, you can sign up there. There are monthly challenges, drawing challenges. There's also like a quarterly easing you can get your hands on. And there's all sorts of bits and pieces and goodies go up there each month. It'd be good to have you on board. Otherwise, keep creating. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye for now.